So it's travel day, and this.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
This is what I have packed. Those are what I'm taking to my cousins, and they're not even inside yet. I have a few hours. We'll see. I'm gonna get some tea. Okay, so now my flight is delayed. Like, oh! I don't even know like what to do because it's like this is just the craziest. It's always like, I'm just ready. I'm just at peace. I'm at peace. So I gotta update you guys on what has literally been going on with me in the last 2 days. I was supposed to fly out to Ethiopia on the 14th. Which was yesterday, and found out that my flight was delayed because of what's happening in the Middle East. And then so I had to stay home. And when it got delayed, they then rescheduled it to the 15th, which is today. And then yesterday, I was like, okay, cool, like I can leave tomorrow, which is fine. It gives me another day to like prepare and everything. And I was already packed, everything was done. Then that evening, yesterday at like 11 p.m, they sent me another confirmation of my flight and like had changed everything. So basically the time that I was leaving was still the same, but when I got to my connecting flight, this was through QATAR Airways. When I get to my connecting flight, it was then rerouted to a different city before I landed in Addis Ababa. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna travel throughout the Middle East. So I told them like, when is the direct flight going straight from LAX to Addis Ababa with the stop in Doha? And they said on the 16th. So that's what's gonna happen. So now I'm like trying to figure out a plan. I had to change my hotels. I have an Airbnb. I'm staying in a hotel first and then going to Airbnb. So I had to like do all that, and then luckily my Amex card helped me with everything, so it's not gonna be that bad. But I'm just exhausted. I literally did not sleep. I woke up with a migraine, and I usually don't get migraines like that, so I was just like, I'm just really exhausted. So now I'm just using today to rest, just plan my shooting schedule. Look at my hair. I actually like, this is gelled because I'm wearing a wig. This is a lot, you know, and I'm not really taking this any type of like animosity way. I'm just trying to ask the universe, God, to make this all make sense when I get there. I want to have the best time when I get there. I want to have such a good time. I want to make sure that everything is, which I'm using this time now to just calm and rest. Be assured that my trip, all this that's happening is for a reason, and my trip is going to be amazing. Because I also still am celebrating my birthday there. I celebrated it 2 days ago, so I'm going to go celebrate it there. I'm excited, but I can't wait to take you guys along with me. This is just going to be like just the travel stuff that you guys are going to see now, because I think tomorrow morning I will do my first series of it at LAX. I'm going early so I can see if they can like upgrade me, see if they can upgrade me to a better seat, at least business, you know. And then I'm gonna get to Doha, and then from there to Addis. So I'll bring you guys with me. But this is a journey. This is a journey. This is just the beginning of the journey. It's crazy. So this is the book that I'll be reading. My friend recommended this to me. Salam!